Well, happy 4th of July, everyone. I am getting ready to go kayaking and fishing for the first time in about 3 years. Just have the day off, so I don't have much, I can do, but we're just going to take it easy today. I'm going to get out there early, trying to beat the heat because it's going to get hot today. Hopefully catch some fish, have a good time. So I'm getting ready to hit the road and get over there. It's about a 35-minute drive. So I can't wait. I've never fished here before. Should be fun. Nice little lake. So let's get to it. First cast in 3 years. There's a lot of people here today. Got some worms if I don't get anything on the bass rod. See if we can get some brim or crappie. It's so quiet out here. I haven't had any bites yet, so I think I'm gonna get the real worm out and see if I can make something happen here. Alright, we're gonna try to make this not so messy. I got a feeling it's gonna be not so easy. Alright. We got some live ones here for sure. Got a crappie slash brim rod out with the worm, and then I'm using my bass rod to try to catch a bass all at the same time. Got something. Oh, we got a fish. Oh, yeah. Come on, stay on. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Oh, yeah. Heck yeah. Check that out, y'all. Oh. Yes. That's awesome. My first bass in 3 years. Gotta give me a picture of that. Heck yes. Nice bass. Nice bass. That's awesome. Gonna put him back. Thank you, guy. That was awesome. Heck yeah, that was awesome. He didn't really bite hard neither. Let's see if I can get back over there. That was a nice sized bass too. Still trying to get me another fish. I was kind of shocked that I got the one. And I'll take it too. It's a nice fish. Waiting on another fish. In this cove. Got out of the wind a little bit. It's really calm back here. Hoping for another bass. It is definitely starting to warm up. Even though it's still cloud cover, still pretty warm and muggy. That breeze feels good. Fish. Oh, I was stuck on the bottom, one or the other. Got a fish. Got one. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, yeah. That's a good one right there. Oh, he's pulling good. Oh, yeah. Stay on, baby. He's barely hooked. Let me get him in the boat. Got him. Yes. I think I'm stuck on the other one. Hold on. Oh, yeah. That's a bigger one. Holy cow. Okay. Stop it. Okay. I gotta try to get him unhooked. Look at that fish, y'all. Now that's a good fish. Holy cow. I think that's one of my biggest fish. Wow, what a day. Caught 2 nice fish. You can tell it's getting hot because everybody's starting to get off the lake now. It is really hot out there. But I had a great time finally getting to do some more kayak fishing. Hopefully the video turns out good. It's the first time I'm using this chest holder for my GoPro, so hopefully it turns out good. But it was great. Different little different video in between, you know, deer hunt season and all that. So we'll be gearing up for that here soon, and thank y'all for watching.